best court North Gold Coast.
The vibe is amazing. This is these people's local court.
We're like the kids from out of town.
Highland Reserve is in Upper Coomera. The barbecue.
Yep.
Got a nice welcome sign. It's 9 o'clock on a Sunday.
2 full courts.
And we actually got one.
The ambience on a Sunday is family-friendly atmosphere. If you had young kids or people from out of town, this would be a great place to bring them. Lots happening, lots to see. Court surface, painted acrylic, probably the best you're going to get outside.
What do you think of traction test?
Brilliant. What was good is it was grippy. It had a little bit of court squeak as well, which you love to hear when you're running up and down. And it's in excellent condition too.
It's got all the lines. You know, I didn't have to worry about it because they're accurate, they're all there.
Yep.
Like boundary line, 3-point, key, and some other things for some other sports.
Ah, the hoop. So this one had a little bit of extra support on it. It was orange. It had the loops for the net, but it was very strong and well attached.
Oh, I love the backboard.
It includes the structure.
This is probably the best backboard pole structure with rim attachment I've come across here on the coast, other than Albert Park.
Oh, other than the home court, nice.
The backboard's full size, can't get any better than that. And you've got the seated square, the rim's attached to it correctly, and the overhang is massive and well placed, and the structure is really good.
They've got the fluoro yellow nets. They are brilliant. Fluoro green. Yeah, they're great. You can see them from a distance.
Oh, I'm going to give it a 9.
My initial thoughts are a 9 as well. The tennis court net wants me to pull it down, but the improved surface counteracts that. So we have a balancing effect here. Yes, I'm feeling this is a 9.
This is my #1 recommended basketball court on the Gold Coast. Even though Albert Park's still a 9, I recommend this one. If you're visiting the Gold Coast, come to this cave. It's gated. It's just got a nice holiday-like vibe.
There's barbecues, there's ducks, there's a lake to walk around.
Best court on the Gold Coast in my opinion.
I'm going to say best court North Gold Coast.
Alright, come here. I recommend it.
Tennis court net right in the middle. So I think all full court games here will be cut to half court.
So if you're going to play half court, what basketball would you recommend?
What? I just happen to have one right here. Here's one I prepared earlier. So we recommend the Wilson 3x3 ball. It's been absolutely brilliant. This one's probably about a month old and working it down on all sorts of court surfaces. It's really started to get grippy. If you wish to purchase said basketball, there is only one location since they are sold out everywhere else we have seen. You got to get to gottahoop'emall.com.
If you're going to have overhang, this is the amount of room you need, unlike any tab.
Alright, we're walking towards the lake, which has a very nice walking track. Get some peaceful vibes after work, or as a Sunday morning, get them before brunch.
This is an awesome place to come on a Sunday. The court's just there.
You could actually do the loop, enjoy the loop.
Do you think we should do the loop?
Nah.
If you guys end up finding this video, please like and subscribe because you're in it. And if you guys have a channel or Instagram, let us know in the comments and we will support you.
Hold on, there's a duck coming to us.
Maybe he heard about the deal. The Wilson 3x3 hustle ball that is brand new from this box.
From the box. Why wouldn't you go to Gotta Hoop Ball? You gotta go to Gotta Hoop 'em All.
Because you gotta have a ball.
You gotta get to gottahoop'emall.com.